game. See the audience cheering up. Messi, Messi. What a fantastic moment it was.
Oh, right. Now comes the most awaited and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the Chief Minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Naveen.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars have also been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush, the excitement as that are straight shot. Yes, it is. The left foot comes out. We saw the third goal also from Messi All-Stars, his forward striker coming out with the left foot. And there was that easy left foot goal that we saw.
Yes, we have seen the Inter Miami setting their rhythm.
Huge love that came in the Vivekananda Stadium as well. So yes, I'm sure, as a footballer himself, there is so much more nice that he can bring along. But having said that, huge, gratitude and applause is going in for everybody. As Suarez kicks it out. Oh, that was almost in the top tier as Suarez's kick. That was strong enough to go out there and reach the top tier. And all the administrators now. Has Leo got the ball? Has the GOAT got his ball? Where is the left foot coming? The left foot goes almost outside the stadium, I should say, but that's even hit the top roof. Phenomenal. So much power there and so much love that's been shown in. Another kick, he's lining him up this side towards the stands. So yeah, all the administrators, all the stakeholders, everybody, thank you once again on behalf of all the football fans to bring the GOAT himself into the India Tour 2025.
We can see the fans enjoying the GOAT, the God of football. We can see the shots towards the gallery.
Yeah, the ball was lost. There it falls down. The ball was actually lost on the top of the roof.
The greatest to ever play the game, standing with his brother Sauraj and Deepal, surrounded by the love of Hyderabad. Tonight, the nursery of Indian football bloomed again. What a marvelous moment it was to all the fans over here in the stadiums. Even us in the commentary box, we are enjoying a lot to see the GOAT, the legend of football, the king of football. It's a fantastic moment to us also.
Totally. Suarez, of course, is his cousin. That's so nice that he accompanies him every time, and he's also got his name etched in most of the national competitions that he's been a part of as Revanth Reddy. And of course, huge support coming in from everybody to go out there and promote the game of football. And his tour doesn't, just conclude here. It's just a beginning. He was there in Kolkata in the morning. Now today here he is in Hyderabad. Tomorrow he is going out to Mumbai as well. Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is going to be there. And after that, of course, will be Delhi as He'll probably meet the beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as well. So yeah, it's all there for the plans. Now what we see is the shootout that's happening between Messi All-Stars and RR9. I'm sure RR9 had 4 goals. Revanth Reddy scoring the 4th goal. But still, the rule says it will be decided via a penalty shootouts. So I think we will stick to the rules. We'll not go via the scoreboard. But for me, the red and white is the winner, Swarna. Yeah?
Yes, of course, it's a friendly match. Everyone are focusing now on Messi. Not the goal, not the score.
You've been saying friendly match, but for me, the sportsman inside me doesn't allow it. But yes, correct. You know, what you said is very right. Oh, there's a goal again. He went towards his right, but the goal was being scored straight on the goal post. So yes, there we go. It is 1 each now. Right, RR9 and Messi All-Stars 1 each.
We are all witnessing the penalty shootout. It's time for the teams. The game came to an end, Naveen.
I really want to have this competition. Revanth Reddy again going out there and taking a shot. And of course, Messi trying to save it. How that will be. Messi, I'm sure, has not done a lot of goalkeeping himself. That's a good save. That's nicely done. Fabulous. The RR9's goalkeeper. Yeah, he saves one. That's really nicely done.
We can see the happy faces. Even Messi, the legends, are also enjoying here on this Indian pitch. The football fans, what a crazy fans.
See, that's what it is, no? See, we sportsmen, we enjoy sports, no matter what it is, who's playing whom, what is it. It's almost there. So yeah, he's just trying to stop this one. Oh, right, he does stop it. It was almost going towards the right of him, but then a nice dive towards his left. The goalkeeper does well. So yeah, see, that shows how much they are grounded, how much they are very, very attached to their roots, because they know that they have come in. And of course, even Revanth Reddy, I mean, I'm sure even he's come in with a lot of hardships in his life, right? His parents' support and everything, that also matters a lot. We spoke of GOAT as well, but then Revanth Reddy also comes in with that hardships in life.
We can see a girl shooting there. Given the opportunity, women also can do.
Obviously, no doubt, Swarna. Let me, this is national television right here, DD Sports. I have been a big supporter of this. Without women, we men cannot even do anything in our life. Happy, this is what it is. Women are the directors of life. They are the creators of life. I mean, yeah, that's a nice goal towards the left post. Forget getting an opportunity, I'll tell you what. Opportunity is always there. I guess today, day and age of time, it is all changed. It is no difference between man or women today. Both are almost on the same lines today. Both can achieve. And having said that, see the achievements of the Women World Cup winners. See the achievement of the Blind Cricket World Cup winners, whatever has happened.
Oh. Revanth Reddy on the frame now. Is so happy to take that penalty shootout. Jersey number 9, the Chief Minister of Telangana State, Mr. Revanth Reddy. All his hard work, all the days he had practiced. Yes! It's a goal! Finally, he's successful there.
Totally. And no goalkeeper could have stopped it. Now, because it was so cornerish off the goal, it was tough for the goalkeeper as well. Yeah, but yeah, having said that, cricket, of course, like we know, everybody knows that it breathes in our hearts. Yeah, that is so important. More important where Messi comes out here as Lionel Messi coming out here in the GOAT Tour 2025 to support the nice cause of promoting football in our country. That's so much needed now as he waves to this crazy crowd. Look at this. This is magnanimous. It is the RGI International Stadium right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. That's packed as Leo kind of takes a lot of shots. But yeah, we were mentioning about women achieving so much. Yes, the ICC Women's World Cup winners, the champions out there. And of course, don't forget, it's always, as the women blind World Cup winners are also been there as a small kid going out there and enjoying his time alongside with Messi wearing number 10 on the back as well. So yeah, first ever T20 World Cup victory by the blind women's team. Also, they went out there and met Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi ji, everybody. And of course, they also did go out there and meet power star Pawan Kalyan himself yesterday. So yeah, women actually lead, Swarna. There's no doubt about that.
Thank you for subverting, and especially coming back to the football. We have seen lots of development in the women football in India, and especially the girls coming from Northeast. And even in all the states, we have seen a lot of development, giving a lot of encouragement to the women footballers. And nowadays, AFF had taken broad steps to encourage for all the privileged kids to take up football and learn and come to play domestic matches, giving a lot of opportunities in different platforms. And we are now watching a junior, jersey number 10, junior little Messi there, exchanging the passes with the legends.
See, that is where I was trying to say. He's here to promote the next generation of the game, right? That's exactly what he's doing. That's symbolically what he's shown, that, it's going to be the next future of football as Revanth Reddy. He is more than today a chief minister. He's like a fan to actually create that kind of an environment, that kind of a comfort zone where you look at someone else and then become what you want to become. As we also keep looking at a lot of sportsmen, a lot of players in different formats of the game, see them, take inspiration and grow. That's exactly what it is. And I guess football should grow in our country. We need to get that Asian qualification very, very soon. The process is on. Of course, there's a lot of other entities that should fall in place, but when that does happen, India will once again be a big force even in the world of football. For me personally, Swarna, you know what, I'm a little disappointed. We've got so much youthful power in our country, but apart from football, we've dominated, we've achieved in every sport, may it be hockey, may it be kabaddi, everything is there. But for football, I think GOAT being here in the India tour is pumped up that aspiration, it's pumped up that dream to get the Asia Cup qualification first, and then of course slowly move into the FIFA qualification and also the Olympics.
Of course, I agree with you. It's a festival today for all the football fans here in India, seeing Messi on the grounds of Kolkata, here in Hyderabad, and especially with that legend we can see Rodrigo De Paul and Luis Suarez, the engine, the greatest strength with his stamina, always supports to Messi, Rodrigo De Paul. He serves as a box-to-box midfielder who connects the defense to the attack. He does the dirty work of running and pressing so that creative players like Messi can rest in the between. And
yeah, totally. As this is what people have actually come here for. This is what they wanted to see. They wanted to soak in the GOAT being present right in front of our eyes, right here in the RGI Stadium in Uppal, Hyderabad. And of course, Revanth Reddy being the man what he is as a good leader, good administrator of the state Telangana right here. He's made sure the arrangements, and of course, the place what it is, so much more warmth that's been coming across, so many fans showing their love as well. And on that note, definitely we should be even thanking the special teams as well, the special security teams, the SPG teams, of course the police department, of course, of Telangana. Really well done. Thank you so much to the entire police unit of Telangana, because without them this was definitely not possible. And of course the other patrolling team, the security team and everybody, they have made this tournament a big success. Yes, there could be some of the other issues Of course, there would be some security protocols that wouldn't have been so very smooth and nice for people to come in and go out, but they should understand that all those protocols, all those orders have been placed for our safety, right? That's exactly what it is. So that's why we are able to sit down here in a nice environment. It's 8:30 in the night here, local time here in Hyderabad. It is almost chill and cold, but because of the love and enthusiasm being brought inside in the stadium, we are not feeling any cold. We are just not shivering at all. It's so much warmth because the GOAT is right here in his tour of India 2025.
Yes, we are seeing a small exchanges between the players and the legends here. What an electric atmosphere here in the stadium. The fans everywhere roaring, Messi, Messi, Messi.
Yeah, no doubt, as he is really making sure that he stays here as long as people want him to be. That is so nice. This is exactly what the love is all about. As Messi All-Stars 11 players, of course, they will take the sport to another great altitude, another great level altogether. And more importantly, I should also be saying, okay, huge accolades to Prasar Bharati team as well, DD Sports, everybody, the lensmen, and of course, all the panels, the producers, the units, the audio. Wow, who is that little superstar next to the Chief Minister of Telangana himself? Does he realize that he's standing next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revanth Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Did he even realize what he's doing? There he goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveen.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with these moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pick.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the GOAT himself right here in the GOAT Tour 2025 coming out here to promote the game, to make sure, oh, the dad lifts the next big superstar. There he is. He's going away. That's really nice. That was so sweet. And yeah, the dad who I was talking about, who's going to fund all his coaching classes of football. Yeah, that is more needed today, the support from the family. That's why I said, do whatever you want to support your family. Be the family man, be the united person that you can be. Do it, everything that you do to keep the family together, because at the end of it all, it's family. That's what is really needed. And like the GOAT himself, Lionel Messi has earned the entire globe, the entire earth has his family, right? With all the love that is coming towards him from the entire planet. That's really nice. But with all that even going out there, Swarna, I really want to make sure I say this for people to show so much love and take that inspiration. Yes, it is nice that you see GOAT, you see him. There's eyes filled with joy, of tears and everything. But then take that inspiration. Take that inspiration in life. No matter, you should come out there and play football.
try and be humble, try and be rooted, try and be inclusive to everybody, try and be that sweet little person. Now there you go, it's so sweet, it's so sweet. Just a lad who's come running to him and he wants him to sign in the specific place. He wants him to sign in the specific place. He just marked where the sign has to be. Oh, that is so sweet. That's really wonderful, wonderful gesture from the God himself. Being here, right here in the RGI Stadium, Uppal, Hyderabad. And I'm sure, you know, like we were talking, football is here to stay, football is here to grow, not just in pockets like Kerala or Kolkata or a few parts of Goa as well, but this should go all across the huge country of ours.
Absolutely. We are standing on the shoulders of giants from Rahim Saab, who mastered the 4-2-4 formation right here in these streets in the Hyderabad city. And we have seen to the ISL Championship victory in 2022. We have seen the Hyderabad Football Club there. That brought glory back to the Deccan. And we are witnessing Rahul Gandhi here.
Yeah, right, as the leader of the opposition is going to join Revanth Reddy. He's going to be there with the dignitaries as well. Yeah, you were speaking of the other leagues that happened.
Yes, the recent rise of local Hyderabadi talent in the national team proves that the nursery of Indian football is active again. Tonight, this is the bridge between that glorious past and the brilliant future.
Yeah, true. Also, a huge shout out to their Satardu Datta Initiative India Tour of the Court 2025. Huge chances that's been provided to the people of India to soak in the GOAT himself, and right in front of their eyes. Morning he was there in Kolkata, today right here he's in RGI Stadium, Uppal, Hyderabad, as the dignitaries line up as well to have that Messi song that's been playing all across the ground. What a moment, what a moment. Sports unites everybody, that's more important. And that is where, you know, I guess even Messi will be going out there and meeting the Honorable Prime Minister as well in Delhi. If that happens, that'd be really nice. So sport is one entity that unites everybody, isn't it? No matter which state, which place we come from, sports is sports. And I love this. I love this phase of our life that's happening. You know, no differentiations whatsoever. It's for the sake of sports, and we are all here for sports.
We can see the legends in one frame. The god of football. Beside him, Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, Rodrigo De Paul, Luis Suarez, and the honorable dignitary there, Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Chief Minister, we have the Argentinian machine, Rodrigo De Paul, and the Barcelona legend, the Uruguay legend, the Liverpool legend, Luis Suarez.
Can we call upon Uday Reddy Tandla? Uday Reddy Tandla garni ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఇది ఇంతకన్నా బెటర్ అవ్వలేదు ఈ ఫ్రేమ్. రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారు ఉన్నారు, గౌరవనీయులు ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు ఉన్నారు, ప్రపంచంలోనే ఫుట్బాల్ లోనే లెజెండ్ మెస్సీ ఉన్నారు, along with Rodrigo. This is incredible Hyderabad.
Well, it is the city of Hyderabad that has witnessed history. It is Lionel Messi who's country after 14 years, after a long wait, and we cannot be more excited. We've had the match, the legend has witnessed the match himself, and the winners for tonight of the GOAT Cup are the Singareni RR9!
ఉదయ్ తాండ్లా గారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఉదయ్ తాండ్లా గారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. Oh my God, this is the time. The GOAT Cup. The GOAT Cup. RR9 is receiving the GOAT Cup. RR9 is receiving the GOAT Cup. step forward. Step forward. Can we have the Chief Minister? Sir, Chief Minister, sir. Aparna Messi All Stars. Uday garu unnaru. Uday Tandla garu is here, getting his picture framed along with Aparna Messi All Stars. The GOAT Cup. The GOAT himself is presenting the cup to Aparna Messi All Stars. This cannot get better, Hyderabad. రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి వల్ల ఇంకొక 100 సంవత్సరాలు హైదరాబాద్ ఈ షో గురించే మాట్లాడుతుంది. మెస్సీ 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 మెస్సీ. ఇప్పుడు ఫెలిసిటేషన్ జరగబడుతుంది. ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారికి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలపాలి. మనం అందరం కూడా ఇలాంటి ఒక మోమెంట్ మన ముందర వస్తుందని మనం ఎవరు కూడా ఆలోచించుండము. అలాంటిది ఆ గోట్ ని, ఒక లెజెండ్ ని హైదరాబాద్ కి, మన సిటీకి పిలుచుకొని వచ్చి అద్భుతమైన మ్యాచ్, ఎగ్జిబిషన్ మ్యాచ్ జరిపించడమే కాకుండా పిల్లలతో కూడా ఆడారు. అలాగే ట్రోఫీ ప్రెజెంట్ చేశారు. రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి విజన్ యాక్షన్ లోకి వచ్చింది. స్పోర్ట్స్ అయినా, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అయినా, ఎటువంటి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అయినా ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు మన రాష్ట్రాన్ని అభివృద్ధి పరుస్తున్నారు, ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు.
Hyderabad now, we have our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy here with us, who would like to say a few words.
Messi, welcome to Telangana. Now Telangana is rising. Come, join the rise. Thank you.
GOAT will talk now.
Hola a todos, bueno, nada, solo agradecer por el cariño de hoy y de siempre. La verdad que vi muchas cosas antes de llegar acá durante todo este tiempo, durante el último mundial y bueno, muchas gracias por todo el cariño. Es un honor para nosotros poder compartir estos días acá en India con ustedes, así que muy agradecido. Muchas gracias.
So he is very.
She's going to translate for us, everybody.
All of this love, all this show of affection that he is receiving today in this country, and also your participation tonight, and all the people and the Prime Minister. Thank you very much.
He said he's happy to be in Hyderabad.
And he's also, Messi says that he's very happy to be here in Hyderabad with all of you.
Buenas noches. Bueno, nada, espero que estén pasando una noche muy especial, que estén disfrutando. Muchas gracias por todo el amor, por todo el cariño, por apoyarnos tanto en la Copa del Mundo y seguir estando cerca de nuestra selección. Gracias a todos y mucho amor.